Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, loaded with features, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2012 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Inside you'll find keyless entry, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, security system, MP3 player, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, trip computer. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.